Alright, so I'm starting the live stream right now. So live stream is started. Okay, so Aussie, Jenna, Queen, tell me if y'all can see me. So I'm on the live stream right now. I'm trying to put my Thinkorswim back up. My platform back up. It's like, jeez, Louise. I was doing so good just trading in peace. Everything was fine. Alright. Put my okay.
I can see you.
Okay, so let me go ahead and put my live stream. Put my Thinkorswim. What the hell is that repeating from? My platform. Where's that coming from? Twitch? Yeah, Twitch. That's Twitch. Alright, cool. Alright, let me put my Thinkorswim back up. Let me put it back up to running. Alright, guys. Okay, Queen, I got you. Why is my
39 says YouTube is.
I'm trying to put the Thinkorswim back up real quick. So give me a minute. Let me go ahead and log into my account and let me put it back up. And ladies, I do apologize. It's not y'all fault. It's not my fault. It's just OBS I'm dealing with. I'm so sorry. God, I hate that. Just see now you see what I see? Now you see what I go through? Now y'all see the proof. Now y'all see what I go through. Why stream just by myself, Discord with you guys. Now y'all see the pain I go through. It's a bad pain in my ass. But I do this for y'all, man. This is for y'all. I already made it, so I'm already good. Shit. And post the new links to everybody. Shit, man, it's a lot. Come on, Thinkorswim. Let's go. Shit, man. And guys, I do apologize, and it's still showing the error on my damn OB. Oh my God, I'm about to just quit this. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to put in my Thinkorswim login, man. Trying to get back to Thinkorswim. I'm trying to get it back to order, man. Now you see why I barely live stream. Now you see the hell I go through. All right, guys. I'm trying to get the Thinkorswim back up and running. Jeez.
I mean, worst comes to worst, you could.
I mean, well. Also, the good thing about it is I made my trades already. So I mean, that's why I said I'm laid back now. I made my trades. I did what I was supposed to do. So. I'm just trying to do another trade in front of you guys so I can show y'all the proof, but it's like this freaking OBS is driving me crazy.
Yeah.
It's like, jeez, Louise.
What, but is it because you've got so many things loading in it? Like
no, I mean, well, that's the thing. I don't have that many things open.
What was the other one?
That's the thing. I don't have too many things open. And then I had to restart the computer back up, so it shouldn't have a lot to run off on. It's literally just restarted.
Nice.
This is insane, man. Yeah, showing that the stream is up. OBS just showing an error though for something. Jeez Louise. Now y'all see why I do just Discord on it. Alright guys, can y'all see my charts? Is everything good? Everything clear? Jeez. Now y'all see why I can't focus on my trades like I want to, because I gotta do this bullshit every single time. I gotta go through the hell back and forth. Nothing but distractions. Alright, let me get my CRWV, my baby up. You already know that's one of my main trades that I trade with, CRWV. Alright, and CRCL. Still showing an error on YouTube though. This is ridiculous, man. This is crazy. Aussie, Jenna, Queen, can y'all see me on YouTube though? It's on my end showing an error. Can y'all see me? This is crazy, man.
You, but I don't see any
says, yes.
Look, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm looking at. Look at error. See that? Look what I'm looking at on my OBS. Error. YouTube is not receiving enough. Y'all see? It's not me. Okay, so man, as long as y'all can see it, that's all I care about. As long as y'all can see it, that's all that matters. Man, this is crazy. Okay, this is insane. And I'm so sorry, ladies. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Now you see why I don't stream as much. Now you see why.
You don't have to apologize, darling. We're just grateful and thankful that you're streaming and showing us.
Well, yeah, but you know, yeah, whenever I can't stream, that's why I said I still talk to you guys through Discord. Oh, shut up! I don't want to hear you on my phone. All right. All right, let me go to share. Let me send the new link out to everybody for those who cannot get my link. It's just insane, man. All right, cool. Bumping. Okay, showing excellent. Okay, so we good, guys. Okay. So just make sure, guys, we are good on all platforms: Twitch, YouTube, Kick. Let me know you guys are good to go, man. It's always OBS with this bull crap, man. Cause I want to trade in front of y'all, man, but it's always some issue with this shit every single time. Now y'all see why I better go live. Too much of a damn distraction, man. All right, let me see. What can I do? What can I trade left? I still got CRWV. I'm still looking at for the upside to see can we get this this push back up to the upside of 125 plus. So I'm trying to do a trade in front of you guys if I can do it, man. It's a headache. It's definitely a headache. Streams acting up. It's just damn. Look, and then look. And look, my internet company calling. I wonder what they calling about because they giving me issues. Let me see what they say. So y'all can. Hello. And they hung up. Ain't that a bitch?
Oh my gosh.
Y'all saw the proof. Y'all my witnesses. I showed y'all they was calling me. They hung up in my face after I said hello. This is crazy. Insane. All right, guys. Okay, enough of the distractions. Okay, Aussie, Queen, Jenna. Even though I have y'all on Discord, never be embarrassed to talk. Y'all have the floor. Just like we talk on Discord on a regular basis, y'all can do this on my live. So what are you queens looking at right now? Y'all going long? Y'all going short? What are you guys' thought processes at this moment? How we looking? I already caught my trades this morning. I'm still up $1,100. I mean, from $100 startup, guys. I'm just trying to go for another trade so I can show you guys. I'm trying to do it in real time, but jeez Louise. So my main money makers has been CRWV and CRCL. That's been my money makers. I know you know me. I'm a spy trader, but I've been practicing a lot on my scalping, which I've been doing real good at. So I know I need to start jumping them on my spies. I know. So I'm gonna start practicing on that. But my money maker has been CRWV, CRCL, and that's the main things I have been alerting in my Discord. Y'all have been my witness to that. I've been alerting it. So we'll see. And I know today is Friday. It's gonna be a little bit more trickier. You know, the volumes is gonna be up and down. I know it's quiet witching this today. So, but ladies, what are you gals looking at this time?
I am looking for Microsoft upside.
Okay, so you're still looking at Microsoft. Okay, let me go ahead and put that up. I got you on that. Okay, Microsoft. We still on somewhat of a little downtrend setup. Jenna, if you can see it right here on my chart, we got this downtrend setup still kind of still taking place. Still a little bit more downside. Still looking a little weak on Microsoft. You can see this downtrend I'm about to put up right quick. Here we go. Got like a little downtrend setup for the crack underneath that 512. Watch this VWAP level. Watch that 512 level here. If buys can hold, we should see an expected move back up towards the upside. Keep that on watch. Watch that 512 level. If we crack 512, we got room to fall right back down to 511, down to 510, where we will continue to downtrend towards the downside. SPY still holding above the 662 level. We do have more of an uptrend setup still trying to take place. Keep that on watch at 662 to see can we get that push up towards 663 and so forth. But as far as Microsoft, I see a lot more downside than upside right now, Jenna. And you can see it right here on my chart to the right hand side that we're getting an upper shadow. We are retesting that VWAP back down to the downside. Keep that on watch to see where we go from here. If we crack 512, we could see more downside coming in. I'm still watching CRWV on my end to see if I see anything else. Let me see. So CRWV still trying to hold up. Let me see if I see anything else on my end that I could trade in front of you guys without no hesitations and no bullshit. CRCL. Let's see how we're looking on that. That look like more of a downtrend. What else? What else was I trading? FIG, FIG, downtrend still. What else was I looking at? It was something else I was looking at. Let me see. I'm gonna go back to CRWV. Let me see what we're looking like. Cause I still want to see if CRW can go for that push. I mean, if we could go, you know, if those buys can step back in and go for that push up towards, you know, 126 plus. I mean, I would definitely stay on the upside on that end. Like I said, Jenna, watch that 512 level on your Microsoft. Watch that level. Aussie Queen, what do you got? What are you guys looking at this time as well? And I do apologize about the complications. I'm sorry. Sorry. I want to get a few more trades in to show you guys. I want to trade in front of you guys.
Check.
All right. Well, what we got? Austin, what you looking at, Queen? Are you still looking at SPY or are you still on Apple? What you looking at, Queen?
I did the Apple call this morning. Did really well.
Okay.
And then I lost it all.
Oh, let me take a look. Let me take a look.
And went back in on SPY and made a little bit.
Okay, Apple. Let me take a quick look.
What about Fig?
Well, no. Well, in other words, you should have stayed in Apple. Apple, you still on an uptrend, Queen. You still on the uptrend on Apple. Don't let that slide past you. Look on your 5-minute time frame. You're still on an uptrend. So as you can see right here, we broke past this level here. That was around the 243 level. We called it U-shaped breakout pattern. That bad boy is still heading up towards 246. So Apple's still looking good. Apple's still on the uptrend. So that's still looking good. So I mean, I wouldn't count Apple out just yet.
Yeah,
excuse me.
Yeah, my nerves get when I see red.
No, well, but that's the thing. Well, that's the thing too. Like, and you got to understand that even when you see a little red, you got to look at the overall position. Like with Apple is still on an overall uptrend. You got to look at the overall pattern, Queen, because you know that it's not going to be green throughout the whole thing. You're going to get a few reds when you're going to get a pullback, but nothing is wrong with that because you're setting up for bad traps. All you're doing is trapping shorts, trying to push back up towards the upside. Now, looking at my 5-minute time frame on my Apple, Queen, you can clearly see an uptrend. You can clearly see that we are trapping shorts and pushing back up towards the upside. It's a clear uptrend. Clear uptrend. I mean, look at this, Aussie. Look at this, Queen. Look at my chart. Look at this. Uptrend.
Got it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a clear uptrend. So, yeah, so right now we're at 245. As long as we stay above that 245, we do have room to possibly push back up towards that 246. So, I mean, right now, Apple's looking good on the upside. So, I would not count Apple out. Let me take a look at the contract, see how they looking. Let me take a look real quick to see if I can possibly go for a quick little trade on it. Let me see how we're looking on the call contracts. Let me take a look at it real quick. So, guys, I will be here with you guys for a little bit. I mean, we'll be leaving in a few. So, I'm just trying to see if I can try to get a trade in for you guys right in front of you guys. And let me see if I can do one. Try to find one. I got $80 left on it. I was trading like crazy today on scalping. So, to use majority of my account, so I do apologize on that. Apple's still pushing, Queen. Apple's still pushing. Apple's still looking good. Still looking good. Still looking good, Queen. You, like I said, don't count that out. Let me see if I can try to catch something. I'm trying to figure out what contract I want to use. I mean, I'm looking at a call contract at this time, but I'm trying to figure out which contract I want to go with. Because I'm just doing a quick scalp. I'm not going to do nothing long term. I'm just going to get in and get out. Right now we're trying to push up. Right now we hit a high of 245.80, 20 cents away from that 246. Let me see how the contracts are looking right now in the spreads. I don't want to chase Apple. So I mean, right now at this moment. I mean, right now, you had good opportunities from 242 all the way up to 245. I don't want to chase what's these tops real quick. I don't want to chase it. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out a trade that I'm I'm comfortable with, that I can trade right in front of you guys. And you know me, that's CRWV, CRCL. Still trying to wait for the CRWV push. Jenna, I know we talked about Microsoft. You're still holding above that. What mark is that? That is that 512 level. Watch 512 to see can we get that push back up to the upside, or can we break out of this downtrend setup. Keep in mind, guys, this is lunch hour. The volumes will change up. Do not forget about that. The volume will change up. Don't forget about that. So that's why I'm not trying to take a big risk. Because I know it's lunch hours and I'm not trying to, you know, I'm up in profits right now and I'm not trying to complain about it. I'm good where I'm at. And I'm just keeping everything on watch. Let me see what I can get, though. If I could go for a quick scalp, I would. Let me see what I can go for. CRCL. CRWV not really doing too much of nothing. Now y'all can see how I can jump in and out of these trades. Y'all can see me in real time trading. I see a little bit of downside on CRCL. Let me see. See a little bit more downside towards that 140. I mean, if I could catch a quick scalp on that, I mean, I'll do it real quick in front of you guys, real quick. If I can do it, let me see. Let me see what good contracts I can go with. What I got left? $80 left. I'm trying to go for a quick scalp if I can do it real quick. And I'm gonna try to move my chart over too. I'm gonna show y'all a copy of what I'm trading, so y'all can see the proof that I don't hide, that I don't lie about not a damn thing. So this is CRCL. You can see the spreads. I need to see though. I need to be able to see the chart though. Still pulling back. Let me see if I can try to do it. I'm gonna try to do it in front of you guys, real quick, to show you how I do it. So we're still pulling back. Let me see if I can catch a quick scalp real quick. Let me see if I can do it. If I can, I can. If I can, I can. I know Friday. Why should not let me grab it? Might need to move my contracts down a little bit. CRCL still looking like it's on downside. Let me see if I can try to go for a quick trade. Quick one. Because I know Fridays is a little freaking tricky. I know. Trust me, I know. Let me see what I can do real quick. Alright, CRCL. Do I got the right one? Yeah, I got the right one. Still good. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to do it right in front of you guys. I see how that. Wait, why is this not showing CRCL? Where's my chart? Oh, right here. Tripping right here. I'm trying to see if I can do it, guys. I'm gonna try to just do a quick one. I'm gonna try to move as fast as I can, because I know Fridays is a little tricky. I really hate gambling on Fridays. I hate fucking Fridays with a passion. Let me see if I can do it. If I can catch a quick scalp, I'll do it. So I can show y'all what I do and how I'm able to jump in and out these trades real quick. So all I'm doing, guys, is watching CRCL. Still watching a little bit of some, weakness. Pull back. We're underneath all the indicators. VWAP, 200-day moving average. Everything's still looking a little weak on that end. I'm just trying to see, can we get this crack below these levels? I just want to see, can we get a little bit of confirmation? Right now, we got a little bit of upper shadow. Buyers are trying to step back in. So right now, I'm not going to take that just yet. Not yet. I was trying to, but it wouldn't take my order. So that was a clear sign for me not to force it. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait it out. So while I'm doing is watching CRWV. Because, like I said, I see a lot more weakness than downside. Than upside. So I'm going to keep it on watch to see where we go. I'm going to watch CRWV and CRCL. Watching both of them at the same damn time. CRWV, we need to get a break back above 125. CRCL, just need to stay underneath that 142 for that pull back down, which we are. But I just want to see, some more strong sell-off. So I can trade in front of you guys real quick. Fridays, like I said, I hate Fridays. I hate fucking Fridays. It's a pain in my ass. I hate fucking trading Fridays. I'm gonna try it. Like I said, I want to see which way we're going. So let me look at my my mobile, because I want to see my quotas. Because my quotas. Okay. Also, remember we talked about the quotas, right, Queen? We talked about the quotas. Remember I was talking to you about the having two quotas, having a short quota, and then having like a longer quota. So right now,
Yes.
okay. So so you remember, knowing I'm doing a small account challenge. You remember I told you my quotas as far as right now is $50 to $100. So based off of here, can you see me? So based off of here, I already crossed one. That's $50. My next quota is up to $100. So right now I'm at a P&L of $80. Just right here in front of you guys. I'll take a screenshot and show you if you need to see it. Right now I'm up 80. So I already crossed one quota, which is 50. That's done. Okay. Now I'm working on the second.
Yes, I remember.
Yeah. So right now I'm working on the second quota, which is 100. So all I'm trying to do now is just get my second quota in. All I need to do now is make $20, lock that up, be done. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out, which one is going to give me a better opportunity where I can make a quick $20 in and out and be done with it. So right now I see CRCL trying to push back up. I see CRWV pulling back down. So all I'm trying to do is figure out, which one would be the best opportunity for me to get in and get out. So right now CRCL is trying to push back up to the upside. So I see a little bit of buying pressure. So I see these bottoms are holding. I see a little bit of demand zone right here. So I'm just keeping on watch. As you can see, CRWV pulling back down. You're getting a nice little arc on that situation. So let's see what I can do. So right now, see, we pushing back on CRWV. So CRCL. So I need to focus more on the upside at this time until I get confirmation back down towards the downside. So, because I don't want to go against the grain. So let me see what I can do real quick. Let me check out these contracts real fast. So you can see right here, guys, I'm switching on my contracts. You can clearly see it. Switching on my contract. So I see a little bit more upside than a downside on CRCL. All right, so if I can go for a quick scalp, let me see. Let me see what I can do. Let me put this up front real quick. Seeing it trying to go for a pop. So I have to change my mindset because of what the market is telling me. CRC is telling me that buyers are holding. You know, we're trying to push up towards the upside, so don't go against the grain until I get full confirmation. So I have to be long buyers until otherwise. Okay, so right now we're getting a bounce, we're getting a bounce, we're getting a bounce. So when I'm doing this, watching to see can buyers get back above 142 up to 143. So that's letting me know buyers are still in control. So all I'm doing now is just trying to see can we go for this U-shaped pattern breakout. I'm just keeping on watch. I'm not forcing. Remember, guys, it's lunch hours. Volatility will change. Be very, very freaking careful. Be very careful. I'm trying to go for a quick scalp so I can show y'all what I do. Quick scalp, quick scalp. So I'm watching both. I'm watching CRWV from the short side, can look weak. And I'm watching CRCL from a long side that looks a little strong, trying to hold. So I'm just trying to see which one is going to work best for me. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, watching both to see what volatility is going to move in on either side. To see which one which one I should go with and stick with. All I'm doing is watching these two bad boys. Okay. Like I said, CRCL still holding. I just need that push. I just need confirmation. I need to see some buying volatility. That's all I need to see. Based off of these 5-minute time frame, 5-minute candles, I don't see a lot of volatility on the bullish side just yet. Just yet. I mean, we are getting a bounce, but I need to see more volatility. See right here, you got CRWV bouncing. So I'm just trying to figure out which one is going to work best for me. That's all I'm trying to figure out. Which one is going to work best for me. Which one? There goes CRWV. Alright, so let me switch over. CRWV. So I see volatility on CRWV side. Okay, so let me switch over. Let me see how we're looking on the call side. Let me look at these contracts. Let me see which one has a better opportunity for me to trade with, where I can get in and out. So let me see. And there you go. CRWV. Squeeze it back to the upside. Bam. Alright, so let's see. Let's see which one has a better opportunity for me where I can get a quick scalp. And I just want to show you why I'm able to jump in and out the trade so quick. I want to be able to show you guys. If I can do it, I'm trying to. I don't want to force nothing. I want to just make a quick trade in and out. Alright, CRWV still pushing. That's still showing bullishness. Let me see if I can try to catch it. Let me see so I can show y'all real quick. CRWV still squeezing. Alright, let me see if I can try to catch it. Let me see, because I know Fridays is a lot tricky. Let me see if they can grab my damn orders, if they can grab it. Still not grabbing my orders just yet. Because I see what CRWV is doing versus CRCL. CRWV is clearly showing me we have a lot more volatility. Alright. Alright. Switch my contract again. Because I want to be safe. So sometimes I have to switch it out. Alright, let me switch it. Let me see if I can grab it. Let me see if they're going to take more order. Let me try it. I'm going to try it. Alright, got it. Okay. So let me see if I can just go for a quick scalp. Quick scalp, quick scalp. Oops. Wrong spot. My bad. It's showing that there's more volatility. It's like it's moving so everything is moving slow on my end, man. I do apologize, man. It's just moving so damn slow. Done. See that? In and out. All I did was what? Waited for which one had more volatility. In and out. Look how quick I did that. Done. Easy. In and out. In and out. I played the spread. Got in at these bottoms. Sold at the top. Done. Easy. Easy, 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 baby. Easy, easy, easy. All I did was play the volatility. I understood the spread. Played the spread. In and out. Done.
Gina says,
Easy.
did you make 10 cents?
Let me try. I'm gonna do another one. Let me see if I can do another one real quick. I'll do one more. All right. Let me try to go for one more. Do one more. In and out. Play the volatility. All right. Spy. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Still pushing up. Ah, getting a little bit of a pullback. A little bit of pullback. A little bit of pullback. Cause like I said, I know Fridays can be a little tricky. I did 6. I kind of got a little bit lower. I was just doing, got out, in and out, done. See? Easy. See that? Done. Now y'all see how I bank on it? Easy. Y'all remember I was just at 1,000, right? Look, let me show y'all where I'm at now. Show y'all my proof. I don't lie. I don't hold nothing back from y'all. Show y'all where I'm at now. Remember I was at $1,000, just 1,000, right? All right, let me take a screenshot. Show y'all where I'm at, just off of these little spreads and off of this quick trade. Take a screenshot real quick. Damn, I'm zeroed out too. Fuck. Bam. 1,100. See that? That easy. See how quick I grew that? See how quickly I did that? Made $100 just off of that alone. Now instead of trading off of $1,000 account, trading off of $1,100 account. I traded right in front of y'all. I didn't hold nothing back. I didn't lie about anything. I trusted the right patterns. I trusted the right volatility. Instead of going on CRCL and went on for CRWV, I saw buyers stepping in. I played the buying side. I caught the volatility. In and out. Y'all heard me getting in and out. Y'all can see the proof right the hell here. In and out. In and out. Call my trades. Bam. Done.
Angry Aussie chick says. Bam.
That's it. Did it right in front of y'all. I didn't hold nothing back. Didn't lie to y'all. Y'all saw the proof. So now y'all see how easily getting in and out these trades with no problem. In and out. Now y'all see how I do it. Quick. In and out. Especially on Fridays. I do not play on Fridays. I do not try to chance any damn thing. Hell to the no. I got in with 4 contracts in, 4 contracts out. In and out. Done with it. I'm trying to see if I can switch my account back over to my other one so I can try to, what I got left on this one, $1. Let me see if I can try to switch my account, see if it's going to give me a little bit more leverage to trade with real quick. I mean, if I can go for another trade, I'll do it. But now y'all see how easy I did that, right? Aussie, Queen, Jenna, y'all see how quick I got in and out of these trades? And I'll show y'all my proof. All right, watch. All right, let me show y'all the proof. That quick. Look at this. Watch this. I'll show y'all my P&L off of my tell me I'm lying. There go your proof. That's a screenshot. That shit ain't Photoshop. I literally just took that from my website. Look where I'm at. Remember, I just had all I had was 1,000 based off of the ATM machine, right? 100 that quick. Done. Done. Just saying. Easy trade. In and out, baby. I was watching for that push on up. VWAP. In and out. Done. If I can do another trade, I'll do it again. How quick I am by getting in and out these trades. I don't sit there holding that bag. Hell to the no. Especially on Fridays. Oh, funk no. I'm in and out this baby. So let me see if it's gonna give me let me try to switch my money over to my other account. Let me see if it's gonna let me trade on that one real quick. Let me see if I can do it. Cause I wanna try to make another trade. If I can do it, I'll do it. I told y'all I don't hide nothing from you guys. I just showed y'all my P&L. I literally screenshotted the Charles Schwab P&L. I didn't hide nothing from you guys. I traded right in front of you guys. I mean, what more did everybody want from me? Man, you don't show your P&L. Oh, man, why you don't trade in front of us? I just did it. I literally just fucking traded in front of everybody. That quick. In and out. Now that we getting a pullback on this one, all right, let me see what CRCL going to do. All right, cool. Can I get a trade on that one? Let me see, can I add up to it? Let me see, can I, where I'm at right now, 95? Let me see, can I get up to 100? So, Aussie, you saw my proof, Queen. I done crossed over the first quota, which was $50, right? Now I'm closing close to the second quarter, which is $100. Remember, you starting off small, $100 a day. That's $500. That's $500 a week. I mean, Queen, and Aussie, I don't know what else they want me to show them. I made an easy trade that quick, based off of these two. Which one had more volatility? I literally just did it. Queen, I don't know what else they want from me. I don't know what else. I did a quick trade in and out, and I was done with it that fast. I mean, I'm gonna try. I can trade again, but I want to watch this setup. We ran up towards the VWAP, got pullback. Now we still have CRWV that can still push back up towards the upside. If I can see volatility move in here on the bull side, call. Easy. Boys, which one has more volatility? Which one has a better setup? That's the one I go for. Now you see how I'm able to jump in and out these trades that damn fast? I just proved it to everybody. Everybody that's watching me, I literally just proved it. That quick. What else y'all want from me? I played the move on up. CLWV, VWAP, pull right back on down. Caught it on the upside. Took my money. I didn't hold it back for nothing. I respected where the resistance was at. I played the resistance, got out of it. That simple. Now we start to pull back. Could I catch it on the downside? Of course. From the VWAP back down? Yeah. I can definitely catch CRWV back down. I can definitely do that. So let me see. Let me look at that. Let me look at my options real quick. All right, let me go back. Let me go now to a put standpoint. If we do get a nice pullback, let me see what's gonna happen. I don't want to jump the gun. I want confirmation. Now you see gals, why I move so quick, in and out. I make my profits. I don't hold no bag. I take my money from the market because I ain't owning the market shit. Take what I can. I'm in and out. Because you gotta understand, especially, and you gotta see why I'm doing this, guys. Especially when we have a small account. Take what you can. I don't give a shit if it's $50. I don't give a shit if it's $100. That shit adds up. For those who have not seen it, let me see if I can bring it up real quick. Let me see if I can bring it up. All right, let me go to my drawings, and also you already know what I'm about to bring up, Queen. You already know what I'm about to bring up. Where is it at? What is it underneath? Oh, profit management. All right, cool. Profit management. Okay. So, for those who don't know, and me and Aussie talked about this. Aussie, you my witness. Aussie, remember we talked about this, right, Queen? We talked about this. I mean, you could jump in on the Discord. Me and you talked about this privately, right? About the goals. This. For those who don't know, this is a profit management. If you guys need it, let me know.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Yes, ma'am. So for those who don't know, this is a thing I created for all you guys from different levels. Whatever fits your setting, trade out. Just trade within it. Like if you're good at making $50 a day, cool. This is your payout. You're making $50 a day. This is your payout. Weekly, $250. Bi-weekly, $500. Monthly, $1,000. Yearly, $12,000. Say for instance your account grows, you get better at it. Now you're able to make more than $50 a day. Now you're able to make $100 a day. Okay, let's go to level 2 and 3. Bam. And I just proved it. I just made 50. I just showed y'all my damn P&L. Now I'm up at 95. So let's go over. Level 2. This is where I'm at. Level 2. You make $100 a day. Your payout. Weekly. $500. Bi-weekly. $1,000. Monthly. $2,000. Yearly. $25,000. This is where I'm at on my small account. Where I'm able to make $100 a day. Why can I complain about it? Alright. I get better at that. Now I'm to level 3. Now I'm making $250 a day. $5,000. Yearly, $63,000. Alright? Next level. You get better. Now you're making $500 a day. Let's say you're making $500 a day Monday through Friday. Weekly, $2,500. Bi-weekly, $5,000. Monthly, $10,000. Yearly, $126,000. Now you're going to $1,000. You're making $1,000 Monday through Friday. Weekly, $5,000. Bi-weekly, $10,000. Monthly, $20,000. Yearly, $252,000. So my thing is, you don't have to go above and beyond any other level. If you're in a comfort zone and you fine with that, you fine with making $100 a day, and you know how to manage your finances, that's fine. Nothing is wrong with that. As long as you stay within your financial means, that is fine. But if you feel like I got better than that, my account is growing. I got more confidence in myself. Now I'm able to make $250 a day. Look at your payouts. $1,200 weekly. $2,500 bi-weekly. $5,000 monthly. $62,000 bi-weekly. It's all based off of your own preference. Everybody's different. I'm different. Aussie's different. Jenna's different. Queen's different. Everybody's different. It's all based off of your preference. If I'm making $100 a day, stick with it. That's not a crime or a sin. But if you feel like once your account grows and your confidence grows and you're able to go above that level, Man, go to $200 to $250 a day. Now that's putting you towards level 3. Nothing is wrong with it. Don't force yourself and don't pressure yourself. Now, the reason why I got these white boxes, check that shit out. You know, if you're making $100 a day, check that out because you know your payouts is going to be right here. This is your payouts. You're not focused on a weekly. You're not focused on a bi-weekly. You're not focused on a monthly. You're not focused on a yearly. Your daily is going to set all of that up for you. Your daily is going to pay out your weekly. Your daily is going to pay out your bi-weekly. It's going to pay out your monthly. It's going to pay out your yearly. Your yearly. That's it. Stay in a comfort zone that you're fine with. Nothing is wrong with that. It's not going to make you a bad of a trader or anything of that nature because you're trading in the comfort of your own home. Nobody has to know what the hell you're trading and what your preference is. That's your business. Now, once you get it back out of this rookie level and go from this semi-pro level now to a pro level, now where you're good enough, your account has grown enough to now you're making $2,000 a day. This is your payout. You're making $10,000 bi-weekly. You're making $20,000 you're making $10,000 bi-weekly. You're making $20,000 weekly, $40,000 monthly, and you're coming out to $504,000 yearly. Where's the complaint at? All you pick a level that you're comfortable with and trade that shit. Again, Aussie, you're my witness. Jenna, Queen, y'all my witness. I started with $100. $100. Now I'm able to trade with $1,100. It's possible. I grew a $100 account, not doubting myself, saying, "Oh man, all I have is $100. I can't do shit." I went from 100 to now 200. I went from 200 to 300. I went from 300 to 400, 500. Now up to 1,000. Now I have a lot of more leverage. Now I can trade with whatever I want to trade with in the comfort of what I feel is comfortable for me. Queen, Austin, me and you talked about this. I'm comfortable with just making $50 to $100 on this small account. I'm fine with that. That's money I don't have to go work a 9 to 5 for. That's money I don't have to leave out of my house for.